Today we will try to replace horn from this Suzuki Samurai with some custom to see if it's going to be louder. So let's first remove this one. So this is default horn in this Suzuki, and let's try to replace it with this dual one. First one and second one. Let's see how to connect those two on those wires. So I will create a parallel connection between those two horns and then two main wires. So let's get some wires and connect those two in a parallel connection. So this is all I found in garage. So I will try to connect it now and wire those two horns in parallel and then connect it to main wires. So let's prepare some cables. So now, because I don't have enough connectors, I will have to improvise here with wires in order to connect those two. Let's do it then. So I will keep those two horns close each to other. So this was the only way to connect it in parallel. Now let's plug those in default ones and let's try first before we put it in car. Let's see if it works at all. So existing approach wasn't working. We just burned the fuse. Now I will have to use relay and to connect it again in order to get both to work in the same time. So yeah, this is 12 volts relay on those two pins. It's on the image like 85 and 86 we will get the signal from our horn, and 30 will go to plus of battery, and 87 is already going to the horn. This one I will try to connect it to chassis as a minus, as a ground. So let's do some wiring again in order to connect those. Okay, so we have new connection now. This is battery plus, goes to relay here. On those two 3 pins we are connecting the car horn, existing horn, and those are already connected. So parallel connection between horns, plus to relay, another plus to battery plus, and those two are activators for the current to get through those wires. So let's now isolate all of those connectors and let's try it before we install it. And yeah, this is a minus, battery minus or ground. Okay, so everything is wired now, isolated. Let's just connect it to battery and to vehicle horn, and let's try it. So battery plus, here I put both horns. This was a place for one. Here you can see it. Everything is connected, so Let's try it now to see if it works. Great, everything done.